What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy TYP, aka Laney P. Welcome back to another video, another banger, man. Alright, y'all, as y'all can see, I've been waiting for this day for the longest time. It's been summer, it's been dry, it's been hot. California is in the biggest drought of its life, but it is we finally got a little bit of rain. And you know what that means? Donuts. We have to do donuts. It's only right. So I'm gonna be doing a little bit of donuts, a little bit of sliding the Susie around in the rain. Probably not a good idea, but you know, so what? Fuck it, you gotta risk it for the biscuit. Let's go ahead and see how this turns out.
Trust in these niggas cause I heard they tryna take what I got.
Alright, y'all, now that we gave Susie a little drink, we got her nice and fueled up with that good 91, you know, the best that California has to offer. Took a nice long road trip down to Mexico. As you can see, we are in Mexico right now. And it stopped raining a little bit, which I think is good for right now. The street is a little bit wet, not as wet as, you know, I would want it to be for the tire tread or the tire wear or whatever, but you know what I'm saying, it is what it is. Lovely day in Mexico. It's not raining, the camera's not getting messed up. It's only right, we have to do donuts. But before we do donuts, I am not a professional. I don't even do this, I'm not even good at this. So everybody has to start somewhere. Don't judge me. These are probably my first, maybe second, third donuts I've ever done in the Supra. So yeah, cut me a little bit of slack and let's get it going. Alright, not gonna lie, after reviewing that footage, that shit looked hella weak. You know what I'm saying? In the car, that shit felt way better. It felt like I was controlling that shit. It felt like I was really swinging that mug. But yeah, that shit was weak. So we gonna have to try that one more time. One more time for the vlog. You know what I'm saying? If y'all haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, join the TYB family, man. We lit over here. I appreciate every single one of y'all that really supports me and watches every video. So yeah, this one's for you. We're gonna run it back for round 2. Hey, I hope that was a little bit better. Hey gang, that has to be fire. It's getting hella hot outside. I don't want to heat soak Susie too much, but I feel like for a beginner, for somebody who doesn't do this at all, you know what I'm saying, I feel like I did a pretty decent job, right? I mean, it's the car slides hella easy. Like, it loses traction, it's got enough power to spin and all that. I was getting a little bit better at controlling it at where I wanted to go. But yeah, this is the perfect spot in Mexico to really get better at this. But tires are like $1,200, so I'm not gonna do too many. But if y'all like content like this, y'all like when I get rowdy, or y'all wanna see me on my journey to learning how to drift and do all that more, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and let me know down in the comment section how y'all enjoy this, and maybe we'll do more of this with Susie, or maybe we'll get like a 370, 350Z and really just beat the shit out of it. Because you know, I do want to keep this nice.
I got a stable, got a blip, we catching hella poles. I love some melon in the dark bitch on a yellow. It get nasty when I'm fucking, you can tuck it, she get sweaty. He say he getting money, I'm like, hey, who you telling, bro?
Dogs gets me running to a bag, I'm in the corner like a Reza. Stella got me teed up.